As an endodontic practitioner, I have always liked Orikam Healthcare products in India. And when they sent me this new endomotor named Extreme, I was a bit skeptical about it because they already had the eConnect S, which is an integrated endomotor, and the eConnect Pro, which is their best-selling endomotor in India. And with the launch of this 18th Extreme Endodontic Endomotor, the confusion will only increase. But this video will end that confusion. This is the 18th new Extreme Endodontic motor, and this is the eConnect S. The first thing you will notice is the extremely small box of the Extreme compared to the large box of eConnect S and eConnect Pro. Let's see what's in the box. It has the small box where we have the endodontic handpiece. And then in this box we have the warranty card, operating manual, and the charger for the endomotor. Apart from this, there is a nice stand for the endomotor. The build quality of the charger is really good, and this is a Type-C charger, which means the charging will be faster. Now let's see what is inside this box. This has the headpiece, and then you have the endomotor, and also a small nozzle in order to spray the oil in the endomotor handpiece. And when you fix it, it appears to be very small, handy, with good quality screen. The head is also small, which increases the accessibility and visibility during endodontic procedures. It has 10 modes where you can preset the speed and the torque limit. The speed range is between 120 to 650, which is sufficient for all the endodontic files which we commonly use. Sometimes I do use different torque settings for the endodontic files than the company recommended one. And that's why I personally like these 12 torque stops, which are really helpful. This endomotor also has 5 settings to use reciprocating files in this endomotor. This endomotor comes with 800 mAh battery, and that's why the endomotor is really light and easy to handle. Of course, the limitation is you can no longer integrate this endomotor with the apex locators. But that is justified with the costing, because for someone who already has an apex locator or someone who doesn't use it often, this endomotor is really worth the cost. I did try running some files in this endomotor, and the motor appears to be efficient, and it also responds to the torque limit very quickly. Overall, Extreme is a good quality product, and if you are someone who wants just the endomotor without all these additional features, then this can be surely in your list. Hope to release a long-term review on this endomotor as soon as possible. Bye for now.